Hi, this is Ashu Dutt, as usual, bringing you investing, trading, technical charts, futures and options, and commodity secrets. 30 days to become a stock market investor. I mean, many of us have already been doing this, and we often wonder, why is it 2 years, 3 years, 5 years on a net basis, we're not really making any money. Some of us want to enter, we're excited, but we're always wondering, what do we do, what book do we buy? Now in these 30 days, that's all you need, just about an hour a day, and I'll walk you through all the key factors to become a master investor in the stock markets. Now I can discuss this with you impromptu, but I wrote a small note for you which I think you'll find valuable, so I'll read it out. For those who have a passion for trading or investing, the stock markets have a fascinating attraction. I don't have to tell you that, you know how we feel. Give me 30 days and you will learn investing and trading techniques that are not academic, but practical. You can go on the net and waste 365 days and there's tons of this mumbo-jumbo theory that's going on that makes you zero money. Or you can do something practical, and that's what we're going to do here. What's more, you will see your psychology and outlook towards the market change for the better. You will take responsibility for your decisions and earn money with a sense of personal satisfaction. What is life about? If you're not going to be personally satisfied, why are we in it? And that's what you'll get out of this. If you're new to investing, this will be an invaluable tool for you, not just before you start investing, but as a reference guide when you invest. Investing is not about just getting in the first time. It's about what we did wrong, how do we improve it, and this is the kind of reference book you need. This is the kind of reference course you need. Even if you have been investing for years, techniques and methods in these books are driven by my years of experience dealing with millions of investors and writing these tons of best-selling books. So, I have a very close feel to what happens when you really invest. Not this mumbo-jumbo that's sold to you, but what really happens. Well, take charge of whatever you're doing, and in 30 days, you'll be ready to be a stock market investor. What are some of the topics we discussed? So I'll walk you through. For example, on day one, what you don't need to know, not now for at least. That's some of the most important things. Think of how many years you've spent just watching TV, watching all kinds of people talk. You don't need to know some of that stuff. So I can save you tons of times right away. Day 2, interpreting financial news. Day 3, dealing with financial results. Day 4, dealing with announcements. Day 5, picking stocks. Day 6, selling stocks. Day 7, what you don't know. Day 8, expectations. And it goes on for 30 days. You can take the full online course that is available at www.ashudutt.com. You can also take a full video course, which is you can watch the video for all the 30 days, just about less than an hour, I'd say. And 30 hours to become an investor. Please think of how many hours and years you've spent just watching stuff, watching TV, trying to figure out what's going on. 30 hours is all you need. So today, let me take one of the topics and we'll discuss, which is interpreting financial news. Look, your goals and the goals of a 24-hour channel is completely different. They need to fill up 24 hours. What you need to figure out is everything that relevant? And if it's not relevant, why are you sitting there? Why are you watching it? For example, there's an announcement. X company gets an order of 2,000 crores. Oh, everybody jumps, 2,000 crores. But the point is the order worth a margin of 2%? What if it's a road order? What if they don't deliver and instead of making any money on it, they have to pay 200 crores? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Sometimes you get a financial result and we start jumping. Oh great, what a great result. What makes us think we are the first guys who actually know what the result is? Maybe the insiders already know. Maybe somebody already knows. Maybe it's already in the price. Those are the kind of nuances that finally make you money. You don't want to leave home. You don't want to get into the stock markets without Ashu Dutt's 30 days to becoming a stock market investor. You can take it as an online course and an online test, or if you prefer, 30 days, just watch a DVD video at your own time. Cool.